I'm ready. Right, so don't know where to start. No? Nothing. Alright, so I have decided to do this vlog because a series of events has happened. Wow, I suck at this. Okay, so let's try that again. Traffic. Okay, so let's try that again. Today, I will be starting doing vlogs for my main man Vaughn, and for anyone else who wants to see. But anyways, yeah, I don't actually know what to do. I'm currently in Swansea doing nothing. It's quite a sunny day actually, to be honest. I should really go and charge my stuff, so be back soon. I just bought myself a latte. I'm by myself. This is actually really sad. And that's the amount of sugars I'm planning to put in it. And I bought myself dried mango. Yeah. Sugar number 1. Sugar number 2. Sugar number 3. Sugar number 4. Number 5. It's not coming out. There you go. Number 6. I only realized that I'm probably gonna get diabetes from this. I should probably charge my stuff. So, I'm heading down to the beach. I've just finished my Costa. I dipped the dried mango on top of the coffee, and it wasn't very good. So I'm heading down to the beach and I'm meeting up with a couple of friends. You'll meet my friends now, Vaughn. Friends. That's what you're supposed to be, but no, you left for the Philippines. Thanks a lot, boy. Yeah. Okay, so I'm currently sitting down on the steps. My friends just called me, they told me to wait here. I'm currently vlog, I think. Long story short, Vaughn left the Philippines. He's my bro, my best friend and all that. Gonna do this to keep him updated with my daily life because communication in the Philippines and yeah, lifestyle, different. Yeah. Help me. Right, I found a dead fish, Vaughn. Meet Gareth Ford, Vaughn.
Hi, Vaughn.
He's missing you.
Happy to meet you.
We're currently burying this handsome young man.
Buried alive! Oh, my phone's ringing. It's in my pocket. I can't grab my phone.
Ah, look at this guy. I'm trying to make a pair of boobs for this guy. How tall are you?
I'm like, what, like 5'9" or 6 foot?
What do you mean 5'10"?
Yeah, 5'9".
Oh, look at them.
Teabag.
Oh, sort it out! Let's go back to round now! So, being nice, pretty comfy.
This is hard to get up.
It's pretty cut. I don't know. I don't want to try it yet. Should I try it out?
Yeah, try it up.
Alright, ready?
Wait.
What, are you gonna record it? Yeah.
I'm already recording. Yeah, do it now. Go.
I can't!
Are you stuck?
No!
Pull my arms,
I should probably help him, but I really want to video this first.
I can't move! Watch out, maximum effort, ready? Ready?
Yeah, go move.
What the fuck is a chest? We're buried alive! Your mom best time I cut my hair for this. Watch out. Wait, pull me forward. Ready, go. Pull like the devil's dick!
Oh my god.
It's all down his shoulders and shorts and boxers.
Fair play. Well done.
Press, it's all like by here.
Alright. Currently, I met some new people, dude. We made a fire.
Fucking drug man!
Toby's there again. Gareth. So
Fucking camera snapshot.
playing some games over there. And the beach is pretty nice. You know?
I'll put it in my bag.
Would have been pretty cool if you were here. Hold on. Gareth, is it in focus? Huh? Is it in focus?
Toby!
Is it in focus, Gareth? Mine.
Haven't you got the thing? Oh,
Focus for me.
wait, hold on.
Focus for me.
Wait, are we manual?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay. Here we go. Okay.
So, dude. Yeah. I don't know. I hope you'd really come back tonight, dude.
Yeah, same.
Oh my god, he's tall.
I miss you so much.
Toby over there. Yeah. Expect to see some more of this sort of stuff, I guess. It's gonna be like my day-to-day. Well, no, not day-to-day, more like my weekly kind of thing, I guess. You know?
Have you seen that guy on Facebook and he has like 21 fucking followers?
Yeah, pretty much. Now, have a look at fire, my dude. The fire is real. Just playing games.
Sorry.
Sophie, say hi, Vaughn.
Hi, something.
Touchdown. Pass the line.
What are we waiting for?
I need food.
Somebody
and
step. Crunch. Go crunch it. That's on.
Hey!
I'm so glad I got my shot.
Gareth!
What?
Oh, I need that cunt. Yeah, you need it because you fucking stink. There, you dickhead. Alright, stop.
Why is it
We're currently gonna try and burn the trousers.
Not way again.
What?
No, we're not fucking burning them
Come
on
on your ass cheek.
Yeah. No, we're not burning them on me.
Chuck 'em here. I'll hold them. Come
Okay.
here. Oh, it's in the fire.
Bathrooms.
Sweet.
Hey!
Sweet.
Fire!
We're burning someone's
Hold on,
trousers.
Fine.
Wet sand.
So happy.
Hence why I've done the whole. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't believe we're actually doing this. We're burning a pair of trousers. Thank you, Bethan. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You swear back in the ages. We need fucking trousers linked some like this.
Fuck! Oh shit!
Why did you fucking create a problem? Like
You need
fucking...
the same type of stick and it has to be good.
They managed to make clothes. And we have to use ours to make a fire.
Oh, hold on. I'm filming for my friend. Go ahead, Abby. Right, so I am currently back home now, and today has been quite a good day actually. I would have videoed most of it, but my camera kind of died and I was at the beach, so yeah. Goddamn acne. Anyways, yeah. For the parts that I have missed out, I'll tell you now actually. So, first thing is we tried lighting up the fire with the trousers, but that didn't kind of work out, so I kind of just gave up and I kind of went over to a random friendship group's fire and just sat with them for a while everyone else was trying to light up the fire. Yeah, so I made new friends. Yeah, so just to summarize what this first video is for is, I guess it's just a quick vlog to update what my life is like at the moment, you know? I won't entirely video all aspects of my life, only the good parts I suppose. Probably some bad parts, but we'll see how it goes. I'm not entirely sure how this will go. I'll probably get used to all of this, but yeah. Other than that, that's all really. I can't wait to see you again, my dude, and for anyone else who's watching my vlogs because you got nothing else to do with your life. Hi. Hope you enjoy. Yeah. And yeah. Bon voyage. Thanks, Sally, for giving me that idea. Ciao.